Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program using C# programming language that print alphabet from A to Z in capital letters or uppercase format. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, silent viewers, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, leaving a comment, suggestion, and most importantly by sharing my videos to your friends and family. If you do like this kind of video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So we have here a program in C#. So this is already generated in our Visual Studio. A console write line, new line, the title of our program, \t, horizontal tab. It's similar to C language or Java, C++, print alphabet in C#, new line, console write, horizontal tab, \t. In order for us now to display alphabet from A to Z in uppercase, we declare this command for char alphabet equals capital A, character alphabet less than or equal to Z, alphabet increment, and then we have here body console write alphabet, new line, and a program write line for new line, and then console read key. That's it. That's very simple. Don't worry, because I will put a link in the video description of this tutorial video so that you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, let us click the play button. So we have here alphabet in C#, A up to Z in capital letters, and a program. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to print alphabet in C# programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.